Hello all our cherished viewers, you welcome once again to DANNYCOM channel, the channel that takes the time to walk you through the very basic of everything that you need to know when it comes to technology. As I keep saying, in fact I will keep saying this every time I come online, so that you know that on this channel we take our time and make you understand the very basic things when it comes to technology, be it social media, the telcos, the internet, your mobile phone, things that you are supposed to know, how to make your phone very useful and effective when it comes to technology. And so if you have not clicked the subscription button before, click on the subscription button you see down there to subscribe to the channel. And then if you are also an existing follower of this channel, just click on the share button you see at the corner there and share our videos. I am doing this video particularly for a friend who asked me how can I convert airtime into money. The reason being that it was his birthday, and then somebody was trying to send him money for his birthday celebration, and mistakenly he sent it as a form of airtime. How will he use 200 cedis airtime to celebrate his birthday? He needs cash and not airtime. He needs cash and not airtime. Okay, and so this video is going to teach you how to convert your airtime on MTN into mobile money. How to convert your airtime on MTN into mobile money. And so assuming by mistake somebody was sending you money and then he sent it in a form of airtime, don't worry, you can convert it back to money when you are on your mobile phone, or when you receive the message as an airtime. It's not yet over that you have to be using it every time to make call, and then you can convert that airtime onto cash or onto money. So that is what we are going to do for tonight or this morning, depending on the location you are watching me. If you are in Ghana, here it's hooray for you. Just pick your mobile phone and let me walk you through this. All right, so before you do this with me, I want you to believe that what I am saying is true. And so I'll first of all check my airtime for you to see that the airtime is 0 or something like less. So I'll check my airtime and then you see, let's see, MTN. All right, so as you can see, my airtime at the moment is 0.00. okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy airtime from my mobile money wallet. I'm going to buy airtime from my mobile money wallet. I'm going to buy 20 cedi airtime from my mobile money wallet. Okay, so I'll just quickly go to my mobile money and then I'll buy airtime. I'm sure you are following, so just follow. So I'll just buy airtime 3, then I'll ask, okay, self amount 20. okay, I'm sure you are watching. I just put my pin and then confirm. All right, so as you can see, I have received airtime of 20 Ghana cedi, but before, let's confirm by checking. All right, as you can see, I've received airtime of 20 Ghana cedis. So your AC now is 20 Ghana cedis. Assuming that this message or this airtime that came to me, I wanted it in a form of mobile money and not airtime. How do I reverse it back to money? So I'll quickly do *170#, and then when I dial *170#, I'll use the normal SIM, which is MTN. all right, like you are doing mobile money. Okay, so when you get to this particular place, you take the option 6, which is my wallet. All right, so when you take option 6, my wallet, you can see a lot of options here. We are not interested in them, sorry. We are interested in option 8. Option 8 is having nothing, but that is what we are looking for. Okay, so you just select option 8, select, and then send. Now they are asking you to reverse airtime or transaction. So the second one is for mobile monies that you sent mistakenly and you want to reverse the transaction. Remember, if you send the money after some minutes or after some hours, you won't be able to reverse it. But as soon as you send the money and then a few minutes you realize it's a mistake, you will be able to do a reversal for that mobile money. But I'm not interested in that for now. I'm interested in the airtime. So you just select the airtime, which is 1, and then you go back. They are asking you the current amount that was bought as airtime was 20, so I'll just click on 1 and then click on send. Now please confirm the reversal of 20 cedi airtime to this on this PM to your wallet at a fee of 00, so they won't charge you anything. Just click on send. Okay, you have successfully requested for mobile money airtime transfer reversal. You will be notified by an SMS on status shortly. This means that as soon as you do this transaction, within a few minutes or let's say hours, you are going to be notified. As you can see, I've gotten a notification that my mobile money has been credited. So let's check if my airtime is still sitting there or not. They will take the airtime and convert it back to money for me. As you can see, my airtime is 0.00. So this is how to convert your airtime to money when you are on MTN. Thank you very much for watching this video. I think this video is very educative. It's very educative, so please share this video. If you have never shared my video before, please share this video to educate somebody. You can reverse mobile money transactions, and you can also convert airtime to money. So please share this video to as many as you like to educate them. This is DANNYCOM. Help us educate the general public on basic things that everybody is supposed to know. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks for sharing our videos too, and have a nice day.